Hi everyone, welcome to Career Views. I am Naina. My professional network knows me as Nancy. I am a recruitment consultant and a job search strategist. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about coming to Dubai and finding a job. Dubai is a very fascinating city. A lot of people would love to come and work in Dubai, but they get stuck in between the process. So today I'm going to clearly define the process for the job seekers who wish to visit Dubai or come to Dubai and work here. Ideally, it's good for any job seeker to come to Dubai at an early career because there are a lot of opportunities and fast-moving jobs at the beginning stage. Like you have a lot of executive level or assistant level jobs which are very fast-moving. Always for junior positions, people who are available in the UAE are preferred. There are certain organizations who don't mind hiring from overseas. So your interview is done through Skype or a Zoom call. After that, you are sent a visit visa through the company along with an air ticket if you have been recruited from overseas. Even if you have been available in the UAE on a visit, you have given an interview, you've been successful and went back. In that case, your entitlement is not insured for the air ticket. So a lot of organizations who recruit from overseas send visa and air ticket for the selected candidate to fly to Dubai. The best way for one to come and work in Dubai is through understanding the job portals. There are certain job sites where you must register your profile, whether you are in UAE or overseas. All organizations in the UAE don't have an ATS system. They subscribe to job portals and then they look for the candidates through those job portals. So it's very important for one to understand which are the good job portals through which they could register their profile. Start applying the jobs before even thinking of coming to the UAE. See if you get any responses. If not, the best way would be coming to Dubai on a visit visa. Dubai gives a visit visa for 1 month and 3 months, and that too it is extendable. If you are in talks of employment or for any reason you wish to stay extended and try, there is an option. Here, there is a point to note. If you have a US visa in your passport, a visit visa, you get your visa on arrival in Dubai for 30 days. If you are from UK or you are a US citizen or you have US visa in your passport, in that case you get 30-day visa on arrival when you come to Dubai. Those 30 days are good enough to try and explore the job market. The second thing in the process of job searching is not only submitting your resume to the job boards. When you're physically in the UAE, you can visit several organizations and explain them what you have to contribute and at what level you are looking for a job. Most organizations do not entertain this, but there are still some organizations who would make you meet anybody from the HR department for an informational interview. That is a good way to come and look for a job in the UAE. I consult a lot of candidates who wish to come here and work in the UAE. I'm a recruitment consultant and a job search strategist. I have a website by the name of careerviews.com. I would highly recommend you consulting me or any of the expert of the job market because there are a hell lot of documents that you need once you get the job. It's better to understand the complete process before getting into any mess even after having a job. And what is the right salary as per the market? So there are a lot of questions for the people who come from overseas to work in Dubai. It's always a great idea to consult an expert about the salary standards, about the job market, the right portals, what is the right way to approach people in the UAE, how you could reach out to HR professionals, so and so forth. So there are a lot of questions. Do check careerviews.com for any of the services that you may need if you are willing to come to Dubai. Trust me, it's an awesome place to be. It provides great security, great lifestyle for you and your loved ones. So I would highly recommend, if you are thinking in this direction, give it a try. I hope you found this video useful, and I would be happy to answer any of your questions in the comment box. Do let me know if you have any questions regarding coming to Dubai and working here. Thank you so much.